taking care of my family. Made sure I have 2 boys and a wife, and I made sure their teeth were taken care of as mine were slowly deteriorating. And after I got them taken care of, and so now I thought it was time for me to get mine done because they were in very bad shape. I had a bad smile, and so I was catching myself covering my mouth or of something of that nature because of the looks. I didn't like the looks myself, so I know other people didn't like the looks on the teeth. I had pain at times as I was eating and hit something hard or something that cold and heat would have effect on my teeth as I went through my day of drinking tea or hot coffee or whatever there. Something that I learned to live with, but I didn't like it. And I knew I had to do something at some point in time, and that's when I decided to do something. I had all of my teeth removed, and when I walked out that day, I had my teeth in. My temporary plate, and they're in as they are right now. And it was a long day, but it was when I walked out, it was well worth it. And there was no pain level really. I took the prescribed medication that was given to me, but I have never had to take any excessive pain medicine in any way. If I were going to tell someone about a dentist that they would truly love, I would recommend, in high regard, I would recommend Pinnacle and Dr. Kovacs.